Teaching happened to me in a very unique way. Soon after I won Asia Cup in Malaysia, I was given the opportunity to train a candidate who was representing India as a country in the WorldSkills international competition, which was being held in 2015 at São Paulo, Brazil. And the person I trained ended up winning a medallion, which was rank 8. I then trained some more people and I started noticing a pattern. They were winning competitions much faster than I won competitions. On some analysis, I realized that because of the different trainings that I've gone through over the past few years with different trainers of the world, I'm now able to give information in a much structured format which gives people results faster. So while I never planned to teach, I ended up being a very efficient teacher. And that motivated me because I love to see transformations. I love to see how people's livelihoods have changed, how families' household income has doubled and tripled over the past few years. In the year 2016, I was approached by the government of India and I was part of the board of National Occupational Standards Committee, and we set up a curriculum which is now being used in schools and colleges all over the country. I'm now an OMC judge. I just judged the 2019-2020 online competition, and I am also a jury trainer. So I train people how to be a good jury for competitions. So my journey has been very organic, from being a competitor to a juror to a juror trainer to now an international judge. When I moved from India to US in 2017, I had to do my cosmetology and instructor's license again. I realized I have done my education from almost all the major boards of cosmetology in different continents now. I've traveled more than 15 countries in the world, and my standards for education come from engineering. I see there's a huge difference in the way education happens for doctors and engineers versus for hairstylists, makeup artists, aestheticians. If you are an engineer, there is a future progression path for you. You can be a postgraduate, you can be a PhD, but for a beauty professional, when they graduate from beauty school, there isn't any structured path which allows them to understand who should they learn from, what they should learn next, and when should they learn that particular skill. So Hair and Beauty Tour was actually born from this need, from this absence of an organized way of learning. Hair and Beauty Tour optimizes your goal and helps you to navigate the track in the world of hair and beauty so that you're able to reach from point A, and that point A could be if you're a beginner or if you already are a professional, to point B, to wherever you want to reach. And I believe in this structure because I am a live example of the structure. The reason I was able to succeed in so much less time was because of structured education that was provided to me by my international trainers in different countries. But that's not something that everyone can do. It's expensive to travel, it's expensive to go to hotels. I sometimes realized I was paying more in traveling than on my education. Hair and Beauty Tour helps to bridge that gap. You reach from point A to point B and you're able to connect with different people across the world, and it's a very gamified way of learning. When I say gamified, I mean we play games and we learn and solidify our education in a very fun and interactive way. It's an extremely fun-loving and very warm community.